Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most accurate way to use a silver shampoo in order to reduce yellow toning to bring out the best in your platinum blonde or silver hair color. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right into the video. At the moment, I have silver hair with slight yellow toning. Let's fix this by applying silver shampoo on dry hair. Now, many people say you need to apply silver shampoo on wet hair, but what gives me better results is applying silver shampoo on dry hair. Depends on you. You can either put silver shampoo on wet hair or dry hair. For me, dry hair gives better results. So, apply a generous pump of silver shampoo to your hair and emulsify it throughout your entire hair length. And if the silver shampoo falls short, then apply some more silver shampoo and evenly saturate it throughout your hair length. Your complete hair length should be covered in either purple or blue color. Well, that's what it should look like. After you're done silver shampooing, wait for 5-10 minutes until you wash it off. After washing it off, you can see results, but you'll see the actual results after you dry your hair. But before drying your hair, I recommend you to apply conditioner, wait for another 10 minutes and then wash it off. After washing it off, you can either apply a pre-styler, a hair oil, whatever you like, dry your hair, let it air dry, and in the end, you'll see the final result. As you can see, my hair is restored back to its original silver/platinum blonde hair color and it's looking pretty fabulous. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button down below and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram for great hair fashion content. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.